These two more Agnis are fascinating, so they're worth talking about. Remembering now that you have digested the food, you've absorbed it, you've transformed it to the fundamental nature of the elements. You've then absorbed it in your tissue, you transform it in your tissue. There's a Pithara Agni. A Pithara Agni. Pilu digestion. It's a very subtle transformation that's going on within your cells. It's the digestive process in the cells, selecting and absorbing nutrients, transforming them into energy and into the components of your cell. Now, this Agni nourishes a final Agni called Pithara Agni. Pithara Agni is in the nucleus of the cell. This one is now nourishing your DNA, your very genes, and your RNA, which is the information coming out of your genes to support all of life's processes. And this Agni is nourishing your mind and your consciousness. So suddenly you've taken the concept of digestion to a far more profound level. You're not even handling quantum mechanical principles alone in the food and in you to find more health on a profound level. You're actually transforming the essence of the food itself. And you're absorbing and enlivening and invigorating your awareness, your consciousness, your mind from the food. Ayurveda describes food as having a sattva, a rajas, or a tamas quality, according to its effects on the mind. If you have really good quality fresh foods that have a high sattva quality, it'll cause that quality of sattva, or purity, in your mind and feelings, such as to support your love and your compassion and your wisdom and your courage and your strength and your spirituality. However, more rajasic foods, foods like garlic and cheese and pizzas and meats are rajasic. So these foods, when they're digested at this level, create more activity in your system, more thinking. And on the negative side, it can be fear, it can be envy, it can be anger. And then there's a tamasic quality in some foods, which you really don't want. Stale, old foods, processed foods. These have tamas, and that tamas creates a dullness in the whole spirit, in the whole mind. We're going to sleep more, we're going to feel attachment, loneliness, depression. So the quality of the food is significant, even on the level of thinking and feeling. So these two, Pilu and Pithara, they're profoundly impacted by your feelings and thoughts, your memories and experiences, as well as the nutrients. So if you're feeling low and you're depressed and all the rest, these are impacted to give that quality out of your digestion of the foods as well. But if these two were not very lively, if your digestion was disturbed to the extent that these had got the start, then they in their turn would not give you the good qualities of food on this level. And you would then feel low. You'd feel emotionally distraught, depressed, grief. It's as if these emotions will not be digested. You have indigestion on an emotional level. You cannot process your griefs. You cannot handle your memories. They're stuck and they're interfering because they're not fully transformed to that equanimity of that pure awareness or consciousness, which is the essence of your being, your nature. So they retain an element of excitation, which is disturbing your awareness, your consciousness. So this Pilu and Pithara Agni are very significant. Otherwise, if they're not working well, you have mental ama, unprocessed grief, sadness, and so forth. Pithara means parent. So it relates to our genes, it relates to our racial memories. So that's there within us, we're processing it constantly. But Pithara also means meditation. And this is significant because what it's telling us is that meditation awakens Pithara Agni. Right? So the significance of meditation for profound transformation of all your experiences, even the food that you eat, is such as to enhance significantly the extraction of the essence of consciousness from all your experiences and from all your foods. So Pithara Agni, if awakened by the meditation, can transform any thought, any feeling, any experience into that pure awareness, that pure consciousness, which then has you connected to that inner being and expressing and experiencing that inner potential of your own essence. In the process, all ama is avoided, and in its place, ojas is created.